If you are seeking to use a smartphone with a flagship processor, then you must have to think about heat emission. The higher the performance of a processor, the most likely it is to overheat. This eventually increases the overall average temperature of the smartphone. Today, we will look at the top 10 Snapdragon 888 smartphones in terms of overheating. Meizu 18 is a March 2021 flagship, and of course, it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC. Considering the report from other brands, it is quite surprising that this smartphone tops the list. Meizu 18 is the SD888 smartphone with the highest average temperature of 37.2 degrees Celsius. The reason for this is not just the Snapdragon 888 alone. There is also a compromise in the design of the smartphone. In order for the Meizu 18 to have a light weight of 162 grams, this smartphone only uses a small area VC heat sink with a liquid cooling radiator. This design basically conducts the heat through the back cover of this flagship smartphone. Thus, we can safely say that Meizu 18 sacrifices proper heat dissipation for portability and lightweight. Considering the multiple complaints regarding the heating of this device, we expected it to be in number 1 spot. However, the Meizu 18 beat it to that spot. Nevertheless, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro is not far away in the second position. According to Master Lu, Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro's average temperature hits 36.42 degrees Celsius. However, I'm sure many online reviews of this device will disagree with this temperature. This design is to ensure that there is proper heat absorption. However, it clearly does not do the job. According to some reviews, in extreme cases during gaming, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro surface temperature gets as high as 50 degrees Celsius. In fact, one review claims that this device hit close to 50 degrees Celsius temperature in just 30 minutes. Thus, we recommend that you will need an external cooling fan for a better gaming experience. According to Master Lu, the Black Shark Gaming Phone 4 Pro has an average temperature of 35.65 degrees Celsius. However, some reviews claim that the surface temperature of this device is close to 40 degrees Celsius. The company, knowing that this temperature will not give users comfort, released a matching armor heat dissipation protective shell, the thermally conductive metal in the middle of the phone ensures the heat dissipation back clip directly contacts the phone's heating area, which in return improves the heat dissipation capacity. The Realm GT comes with a stainless steel VC cooling system that is supposed to improve the heat dissipation of this device by applying stainless steel in the cooling system and optimizing the heat dissipation structure. However, this did not stop the smartphone from being in the top 10 Snapdragon 888 models with a tendency to overheat. The smartphone is ranked 4th with an average temperature of 34.11 degrees Celsius. According to Realm, the heat dissipation design reduces the CPU temperature by up to 15 degrees Celsius with a 100% heat dissipation area. According to reviews, the surface temperature of this device during gaming is as high as 37.4. However, this did not cause significant discomfort when held in the hand. The Master Lu ranking for overheating Snapdragon 888 smartphones places Nubia Red Magic 6 Pro in the 5th position with an average temperature of 33.91 degrees Celsius. The smartphone comes with a comprehensive ICE 6.0 multi-layer cooling system. According to Nubia, ICE 6.0 combines 7 different cooling methods. The main elements of this cooling system are the fan, vapor chamber, and materials with heat dissipation properties. The Redmi K40 Pro is one of the most populous flagships in the Redmi series. The smartphone comes with a liquid cooling 3-dimensional heat dissipation system. According to recent reviews, the upper half of the camera has higher heat generation than the lower half. Nevertheless, the average temperature of this device is 33.87 degrees Celsius. Although it is in the top 0 overheating Snapdragon smartphones, this temperature should not cause any discomfort to the hands. Of course, users who are allergic to heat will still not be comfortable anyway. Just like the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, there have been a lot of complaints regarding heating on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Considering the complaints, we would expect this device to be high up Master Lu overheating SD888 smartphone ranking. However, the OnePlus 9 Pro is in the 7th position and average temperature of 33.71 degrees Celsius. According to users, even while using the camera, the temperature of the OnePlus 9 Pro is too high. The OnePlus 9 Pro comes with a thicker copper and a larger heatsink than the OnePlus 8 Pro. The smartphone also uses dual 25W battery cells that help to control the heat. It is quite a surprise that it is still experiencing heating issues. In addition to the Mi 11 Pro and OnePlus 9 Pro, the Galaxy S21 Plus is another smartphone with multiple heating issues. However, it appears that the Galaxy S21 Plus overheating issues are more than just the Snapdragon 888 SoC. Nevertheless, the smartphone ranks 8th on Master Lu's Snapdragon 888 overheating smartphones. The Eco 7 comes with an advanced liquid cooling technology for heat dissipation. This heat dissipation technique uses copper tubes to transfer liquid from the soak area to cooler areas of the graphite plate. On Eco 7, this device has an average temperature of only 33.59 degrees Celsius. Though in the top 10 overheating Snapdragon 888 smartphones list, this temperature should not cause any discomfort to users. The last smartphone on the list is the Asus ROG Phone 5, which has a thick metal frame to act as a heatsink. Just like the other smartphones on the list, this device also experiences some heating issues. However, with a temperature of just above 30 degrees, it is not that bad.